is Heiko Klee. I'm originally from Germany, but live currently outside Nina. Individual herbs are they have their characteristics. They're like individuals, like one human is different to another, and it's the same with the herbs. They're very, very specific to their environment that they grow in, but also into the way they behave, and they will act upon the human. There's one of the most iconic ones is Echinacea purpurea, and Echinacea purpurea is a lovely, beautiful plant, but if it's not looked after here, the slightest bit will actually cause it to go into depression. It will not grow. If weeds cover it or if there's soil over it, it will just sit there and sulk, and actually slugs will devour it and destroy the plant within a few weeks. But if you look after it, if you keep it clean, nourish it, it will thrive. I think Ireland has an ideal climate for growing a huge variety of herbs. And especially with the changing climate, Ireland is very lucky, fortunate, and it's a growing environment. Much better than most other countries in the world. Ireland has escaped the industrial pollution of the last century because of its situation at the edge of Europe, at the western seaboard. So it's a very clean environment to grow herbs in. And also the climate is very suitable for most herbs. There's a huge market for herbs, generally. It's just a matter of getting the growing organized and the processing and the marketing. But the potential is enormous. If the temperatures are too high, the plants will not develop the essential phytochemicals. For the development of the phytochemicals in the plants, they have to have the right climate. If the temperature is too high or if the sun intensity is too high as well, it will not work. We're just in a kind of a niche where it's not too cold for most herbs. They will overwinter outside, and it's not too hot in the summers, but still hot enough for them to grow. I think Ireland could do very well in the growing of the herbs and fill a large part of the world market with herb produce. I've been involved in market gardening organically all my life, and for the last 6 years I've been involved in the production of medicinal plants. And it has really grown on me, and it's been very passionate about it and really love the work. It's because I think I've always been exposed to herbal medicine from a young age on, and for me it's a kind of ultimate thing to do as a grower, to grow medicine for humans.